1, 2, 1, 2, 3, listen. Hindi pa kasi yan, hindi pa yan. Pimples! Anyways, guys, we are using our sunscreen today, our brightening. We are using this O2O primer para maging... Wait, first time ko mag-get ready with you. So we are using this Ellen Ella foundation.
Naka-record ka pala.
Foundation. Pwede mo extra or lips. Now we are using this quad. Mukha akong espasol ngayon kasi tutok ko naman. Blush Rare Beauty. Right here. Nose contour, hairline. And then powder contour. Powder na. So, mag-eye makeup na tayo. Eyeliner base, whatever. Wait lang. Okay, so yung ating eyeliner ngayon, hindi siya nag-smudge, hindi siya nag-everything fail. So, this brush, we're gonna get this. And a little bit of this. And then dito natin siya ilalagay. Okay. And... parang ganyan. And then, sa favorite part ko is mag-e-egg yolk na tayo. So, isi-shade ko lang siya right, yeah, like right there. Okay. And then, i-brush out ko lang siya. Okay, so, for the natural lighting tayo. So, ganda yung mukha natin. Ayun, Koreano! Guys, parang nilalaro ko na lang siya. And, para mag-ano ito. Right here. Right here. Okay guys, may teacher na kami sa CPD yan. Hindi po kami tapos.